Welcome to this QuickBooks 2019 tutorial for beginners. My name is Matt Holquist with the QuickBooks University, and I wanted to walk through how to merge accounts. Okay, so merging accounts just means combining two different accounts you have that are similar. Okay, and so QuickBooks Desktop allows you to do this. All right, so what I'm going to do is go over to my chart of accounts. I've got this over here. You can also access it here over on the company little, box on the screen here. So we'll click chart of accounts. Okay. So I've set up two sample ones here. Okay. The first one is you'll see automobile, we've got fuel, and we've got gas. Okay. Really it's the same thing. So we can combine those two accounts. Okay. So what you'll notice is in this gas account, there are no transactions. Okay, it was just like an extra one that was set up, and it hasn't been used. Okay, so if you wanted to, you could mark this inactive, okay, and get rid of it. I always tell people don't delete accounts. You just want to make them inactive, all right? So if you have one that is like this and you really just want to get rid of it and merge it with fuel, what you can do is, okay, what you're going to do is right-click, and you're going to go to Edit Account. Okay, so what you want to do up here is you want to type the name of the account you want it to merge into exactly as it appears. All right, so we're changing it to fuel. And if we hit Save and Close, it's going to ask you, this name's already being used. Would you like to merge them? If you click Yes, okay, you'll see there now it is merged with fuel and it is off the chart of accounts. Okay, pretty easy. Okay, so now what do you do if both accounts have transactions in them? Okay, so you'll see down here under insurance, what I did is we've got this disability insurance and then we've got DIS period insurance. Okay, so whoever was in the QuickBooks file set up this separate account for whatever reason. And so now we've got two disability insurance accounts. Well, if I double click on this one, okay, you'll see it's got transactions. All right. And if I go back to the other one, we'll see this one also has a transaction. Okay. $76. All right. So let me close out of this. All right. So if we look at disability insurance, and one easy way to make sure you get the name exact is we will edit the correct account first, okay? And I'm going to highlight this, right click, and hit copy. And then we're just gonna cancel out of this. And then I'm gonna go to this one. This is the one that I want to merge. I'm gonna right click, I'm gonna click edit, and I'm just gonna highlight up here, right click, and it's not letting me paste for some reason. Typically that works, but what we can do is just type, okay, disability insurance, okay? So again, that's got to match exactly to the account that you want it to merge into, all right? So again, this is important. We're changing the account that we want to get rid of. We want it to merge into a different account, all right? So we hit Save and Close, and it's going to ask us again, this name's already being used. Would you like to merge them? We click Yes. All right, so they merged. All right, so now let's take a look. If we double click on disability insurance, you'll see now that this bill has combined under disability insurance, okay? So it'll take those transactions and it'll merge them into the account you want them to merge with, all right? So that is an easy way to merge these accounts and keep your chart of accounts pretty clean, all right? A lot of times as the company's been around a while, you end up with duplicate accounts or multiple accounts that really mean the same thing. And so this is a way that you can go through and clean up your chart of accounts. All right, so for more QuickBooks training with some additional videos, head on over to QuickBooks University at qbuniversity.org. We've got desktop and we have QuickBooks Online videos. We've got some additional free videos with some common mistakes that people make. and to help you out there. And also, as a member of the QuickBooks University, when you do purchase the training tutorials, I give you personal support to help answer your questions. So head on over there, qbuniversity.org.